So, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Question: what are your trading goals? Let me think now. Okay. So, I guess the first question we need to understand, what is your number one goal when it comes to trading? Do you want to profit? Do you want to buy shiny toys? Or do you want to retain your portfolio so you never lose? Well, your number one goal should be retain your portfolio so you never lose. Can you trade as a human? Sure, if you want mediocre returns, for example, anything under 20% annual returns. When you hear about financial institutions like in my case, radio ads that offer 1% returns annually, or even more insulting, 2% annual returns because you're a really valued customer. Well, that don't make me too happy. So what now? You spend thousands of dollars on bozos for an education that just makes you quote unquote smarter. Take the money and run. That's all they do. Then you also get guys like, more screens will make you more profitable. And they spend thousands of dollars on a better platform. What the F? Then we get the alphabet soup for indie traders, PhD, a CFA, a CSC, a CTA. What the, right? If you want credibility, just do exactly what this guy does. So this is what it essentially comes to. You eat 4 cans of soup of alphabet soup and you just probably had the biggest vowel movement ever. If you want that, just go work in a bank. And again, as an indie trader. So again, what kind of car do you drive? If you're reading this, she's got some bad news for you. As an indie trader, the markets are your final judge. No matter what your letters or your credentials are, no matter what kind of alphabet letters you got on your business card, Judge Judy will always say, bitch, please. So again, what are your trading goals? Oh, I just chase shiny toys. Because chasing cars is just for dogs. And I need to note, there's only cats in this photo. Don't ask. So all of this comes back to sort of like being a retail human trader. You know, like 90% of retail traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. So essentially, you're telling me there's a chance. And of course, we have Forex traders, human Forex traders. Oh, you don't use any money management in your Forex trading? I like to live dangerously. So what about this automated trading thing? You know, like on Toy Story, Infinity and Beyond, or I like to say Phase 3, where we scale to infinity. What are the benefits? Well, we have control, scalability, plus, and a whole load of other things. Just go to my video channel, you'll see what I mean. What happens when you combine human and automation? Don't ask about the pug. So again, what is your number one trading goal? Again, don't forget this. According to the world's number one investor, rule number 1, never lose your money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1, never lose capital. All right. So those important steps as a human, yes, it's important. You always research. And people never knew this, that you had to wear a hat to trade stocks. So we have Bloomberg. Now remember, it's free. We have the app, we have TV markets, the magazine, okay, that's paid. The news, and so much more with Bloomberg. Again, it's free. And then of course, if you want to pay, you do Morningstar. In my case, if you want to build a foundation, you ETFs, get stock, pro tips, even hedge fund newsletters you can't get anywhere else, and economic news. That gives you trading edge, remember? So what happens when you combine all of this with your automation? You make your own tools with software you trust. You use those tools to verify your trading ideas, and finally, you implement trading ideas in your chosen software and turn them into live trading, if possible. Of course it's possible. That's the goal. So again, what are your trading goals? I'll let you decide. But then again, we've got the meetups, and of course we can always talk pretty close to a weekly basis now. And of course, here are my resources at the meetup.com at quant-finance and the MATLAB users group, or on this channel that you got on YouTube, quantlabs.net or quantlabs. Have a good day.